This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use credit cards in YNAB. First, add your credit card account to YNAB, selecting Credit Card as the account type. YNAB then automatically creates a dedicated credit card payment category in your budget. As you make purchases, your credit card's working balance will update, showing your current spending. This initial setup is crucial for accurate tracking. When you spend on your credit card, categorize each transaction to its appropriate budget category, just like cash. YNAB then automatically moves the money you've budgeted for those categories into your credit card payment category. When it's time to pay, simply make your payment from this dedicated category. This ensures your budget always reflects available funds for payment. If you're starting YNAB with an existing credit card balance, you'll need to budget money directly into the credit card payment category to cover that debt. This is separate from the money YNAB moves for new spending. For example, you might budget $150 to pay down your existing debt. Prioritize paying more than the minimum to accelerate your debt reduction journey. To master credit cards in YNAB, always budget for every dollar you spend. This ensures you have the funds available when your payment is due. Aim to pay your statement balance in full each month to avoid paying any interest charges. Finally, reconcile your credit card account regularly, perhaps weekly, to ensure all transactions are accurate and accounted for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.